Hey guys, it's a special one today. I've been wanting to try this for a very long time. And well, now I've got some honeycomb.
Rouse cut comb acacia honey contains a chunk of real honeycomb and clear acacia honey, and is made by bees feeding from the nectar of the Robinia pseudoacacia tree. With a light color, it's delicate and fruity, with a typical waxy flavor and vanilla notes. Perfect for cheese boards. And is available now at Tesco.
So let's change the view. That is pretty nice. Tastes flowery. Like I can taste the flowers. Do you know when you chew candy floss that much until it goes into like a little ball? That's what it's like. That was nice. I'm well happy with that. That was the best gift ever. Do yourself a favour, like and subscribe!